it. Wow.
That sounds good, doesn't it?
I am pleased with that, Dave. Oh, that's only on 2, sir. Goes well.
Water cooling's working as well.
Water squirted out of that, so you know, having a wee. So the motor's in that back of it. You what, mate? The motor's in the back of it. Yeah. It's an outboard. Yeah, and the speed control and everything. No, that's inside. Goes very well.
That's alright, eh? So too.